In a small village, there lived a funny green parrot named Mithu. He was not an ordinary parrot. One morning, while flying over the market, Mithu heard a strange sound. Tock, tock, tock. He became curious and followed the noise. The sound led him to an old carpenter shop filled with wooden chairs, tables, and tools. An old carpenter was busy building a wooden cupboard. Mithu landed near the shop and shouted, "Hello, uncle! What are you making?" The carpenter jumped in shock. He looked at the parrot and said, "Wait, can you talk?" Mithu proudly replied, "Of course, I'm Mithu, the smartest parrot in town." The old carpenter laughed and asked Mithu to help him. So the little parrot started carrying nails in his beak. Whenever the carpenter needed a tool, Mithu shouted, "Hammer coming! Saw coming! Paintbrush ready!" The whole workshop became full of laughter. Soon, people gathered outside the shop. They couldn't believe a parrot was working like a real carpenter. One rich man offered a lot of money to buy Mithu, but Mithu refused. "No thanks, Baba Karim is my friend." From that day on, the shop had a brand new name. Mithu and Baba Carpenter Shop. And every morning, Mithu proudly shouted, "Welcome! Best furniture in town!"